Alright, y'all, now I'm back at home, okay, as y'all know it, okay. Still got this wristband on. I wasn't going to take it off yet, but now that I'm on camera, here we go. Alright, now that I'm on camera, like I said, here we go. Okay. I have to take it off while I'm here, okay. Okay. I don't know how to take it off. Help! Somebody help. Okay, I'm going to take it off right now. Well, I could just slide it off though. Okay. I'm trying to get it off, you know. Alright. So, I got it off the last time though. It broke. Like it did before. Okay. Oh, I have a hangnail. I'll take care of that later. Okay. Okay. Alright, so anyway, as I was saying though, I had fun at Comic-Con though, okay. There we go. Got it off. Yeah. Got it off. So I'm I'm not gonna throw this away. Keep it as a souvenir. But I'm gonna throw this part away. Alright. So anyway, me and Braylon had fun, okay? But the problem is she was being a spoiled brat, okay? A real spoiled brat. You know, I still feel like I got that wristband on, okay? I sure wish Nala would have joined me though. I wish she would have, you know. So she out of town having fun, not funny, fun with her homegirls, you know, and homeboys too. Homegirls and homeboys, okay, for a birthday weekend, okay. It was also Noya's birthday weekend, you know. So they had fun though. Noya and Nala, they probably had fun together, okay. Naja joined them, yep. Yeah, very awesome, you know. I sure wish Noya and Nala would have made a documentary of their birthday. You know, they were born on the same day, but a few years apart. Okay. Yes, indeed. Though I really enjoy my going to Comic-Con. You know, Randy TV was there. Life of Mayo, I meant to say, was there, but I didn't. But I didn't put him on the show either. You know, so. Filming some people and stuff like that, doing a little something. I mean, that was great, okay. And this final thought was messed up, okay. Oh well. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show, Comic-Con and stuff like that. Help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered and stuff like that. Make sure y'all do the right thing, okay. Hopefully I'm gonna see y'all at MechaCon, okay. Bye bye.